Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Dreaming of starting a business but don't know where to begin? What if I told you that a mop, a bucket, and a bold mindset could change your life? In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 must-haves to start a profitable cleaning side hustle, starting from scratch. 1. A winner's mindset. Before you ever pick up a broom, pick up belief, because that's where your business truly begins. Not in the cleaning supplies, but in the mindset. A successful cleaning hustle doesn't start with money or connections or even experience. It starts with you, choosing to show up day after day with drive, hunger, and a no-matter-what attitude. You don't need a degree. You don't need approval. You need commitment, consistency, and courage. Because here's the truth. Your strongest tool isn't in your cleaning kit. It's in your heart and your head. And if you've got that fire inside you, you're already halfway there. 2. The right tools and supplies. Let's talk about your starter kit, the gear that gets you going. Here's the truth. You don't need a $1,000 vacuum or a closet full of high-end products to launch your cleaning hustle. You just need to start lean, smart, and simple. Begin with the basics. A stack of microfiber cloths, your go-to for dusting, wiping, and polishing without leaving streaks. A couple of all-purpose cleaners. Go eco-friendly if you can. Clients love when you care about their space and the environment. Scrub brushes and gloves, because details matter and your hands need protection. A reliable vacuum, mop, and bucket. Nothing fancy, just something solid that gets the job done. And don't forget a tote or cleaning caddy. This keeps you organized and makes you look like a pro. Pro tip? Keep it minimal but powerful. Clients notice when you're prepared, efficient, and professional. You don't need everything, just the right things. And that's what sets you apart. 3. A clear service offer. Here's the deal. You can't sell what you can't explain. If you want to build a successful cleaning side hustle, you've got to be clear and confident about what you offer. Are you doing basic weekly cleanse? Deep cleaning? Move-in or move-out jobs? Maybe organizing or eco-friendly services? Now let's talk about pricing. Are you charging by the hour or by the job? Will you offer flat-rate packages? Do some research in your local area, then set your rates based on the value you provide. And don't undercharge. Charge like someone who knows their worth. Because here's the truth. Confidence comes from clarity. People don't hire people who kind of clean. They hire professionals who know exactly what they do and who they do it for. A successful cleaning hustle isn't just about working hard. It's about working smart, with purpose, and with a clear plan. If you're ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and build real freedom through your own cleaning business, then don't just watch, take action. Hit that like button, subscribe to Night of Shine, and grab your free cleaning business starter kit. It's packed with the exact tools and steps you need to turn your hustle into real, reliable income. This is your moment, your fresh start. The link's in the description. Go get it, and let's build your freedom together. 4. Marketing that works. If no one knows you exist, your business can't grow. It's that simple. Visibility is everything. You could be the best cleaner in town, but if people don't see you, they won't hire you. Start by sharing before and after photos on places where your local audience is already hanging out. Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, local Facebook groups, or neighborhood apps like Nextdoor. Show off your work. Clean spaces speak louder than words. Tell everyone you know, your friends, family, co-workers, even your barista. Word of mouth is pure gold in this business. People trust referrals more than ads. Want to get new clients fast? Offer a First Clean Special, a discounted rate for first-time customers. It's a great way to get people in the door and wow them with your service. And remember, you're not just cleaning houses, you're solving problems. You're giving people back their time, their peace of mind, and a calm, organized space. That's what people pay for, and why they'll keep coming back. 5. Systems and consistency. Here's something most people overlook. The difference between a side hustle and a real business is systems. It's not just about cleaning houses, it's about building something that runs smoothly and grows consistently. Start with the basics. Use a calendar app or a physical planner to track your appointments so you never miss a job. Stay organized and professional. Your time is your money. Next, treat every dollar like it matters. Because it does. Keep track of your receipts, mileage, and income. Even if you're just starting, act like a business from day one. And if you want to go from one-time jobs to repeat clients, you've got to deliver a next-level experience. That means showing up on time, doing the job right the first time, and following up with a simple thank you message or a reminder for their next cleaning. Set your standards high. Then live up to them every single time. That's how you go from chasing clients to having them refer you, book you again, and help your business grow on autopilot. This business can be your stepping stone to something greater, more freedom, more income, and more control over your life. Starting might feel uncomfortable, even scary, but remember this: staying stuck is far more painful than taking that first bold step. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to begin. Start where you are, use what you have, and commit to getting better every single day. You are capable, you are worthy, and you already have everything it takes to build something powerful right now. So believe in your dream, bet on your potential, and take action today because your future self is already cheering you on. So now you know what it takes to start: mindset, tools, a clear offer, smart marketing, and systems. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. This side hustle can become your main hustle. It can pay your bills, fund your dreams, and give you freedom. But it starts with one decision: take action. Smash that like button, subscribe to Nita Shine, and download your free cleaning business starter kit below. It's packed with everything you need to hit the ground running. Your dream is one clean home away from becoming reality. Thank you so much for watching. This is Nita, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep striving, keep shining, and keep building the life you deserve.